the cross where the universe was reconciled. See, have you ever had a relationship breakdown? That silence, that tension, that distance? Now imagine that same fracture, not just between two people, but between humanity and God. That's what sin did. In Colossians chapter 1, 19-20, Paul says something astonishing. For it pleased the Father that in him all fullness should dwell, and by him to reconcile all things to himself, having made peace through the blood of his cross. See, reconcile all things, not just forgive, not just overlook, but restore. Friends, the cross is not just about personal guilt. It is about cosmic healing. Sin didn't only damage human hearts. It raised questions about God's character across the universe. Is he just? Is he loving? Can he be trusted? And at the cross, those questions were answered. Justice was upheld. Love was revealed. Sacrifice was displayed. See, peace was made, not negotiated, but purchased. And notice something powerful. It pleased the Father. See, God wasn't reluctant. He wasn't forced. He desired reconciliation. While humanity was running, God was reaching. See, this reconciliation is comprehensive. It heals our relationship with God. It breaks down walls between people. It restores harmony before heaven itself. Friends, the cross declares sin is serious, love is greater, and peace is possible. And today, reconciliation isn't something you achieve, it's something you receive. See, the question isn't whether peace has been made, but the question is, will you accept it? Because at the cross, the universe saw what love looked like, and it still invites you home. God bless.